show you how to create a social listening campaign on SOCIALHOSE using our campaign wizard. And it will simplify life a lot for people who will find the manual process hard to get started with. We go here to the new campaign. And all we have to do is describe in natural language what we want to monitor. And so carrying on with our theme for creating a new social listening campaign, we were using Kroger as an example. But no, let's use it here as a brand. And this will say, hey, monitor all mentions of Kroger across social media, track brand sentiment, identify potential PR issues, and engage with customers. Focus on customer service opportunities and brand advocacy. And we say analyze. And you will have an analysis for what to expect. And here it says, hey, look, the themes are customer service experiences, pricing, value perception, product quality, and recalls. And we're expecting very high volume. Here are the recommended platforms that we have. And as you can see here, 60%, that means you don't need it. 70%, you don't need it. 75%, also not really. But you do want to kind of, anything above 80, you do want to keep. And so let's say we're going to monitor. I mean, it's really entirely up to you, but if you don't know what you want, this is what we would recommend. And as you go down, you can see what the monitoring goals are going to be, which is track overall brand sentiment, detect emerging PR issues, identify customer service engagement opportunities, spot and amplify brand advocacy, monitor competitive comparisons. And if you can see here, the brands that we're looking at would be Kroger, Kroger Health, Kroger Pickup, Kroger Delivery, and then the competitors is Walmart, Safeway, Public. And as you can see here, we say, okay, fine, we're happy. Let's see what that means in terms of queries and keywords. I mean, I understand the overall theme, but I don't know how to create all these keywords. Earlier, we just put Kroger. And so what it does is it optimizes the queries for each of the platforms. And here we have the platform-specific query for each live search. So we have this live search that searches for Kroger as a name, or as a handle, or as a hashtag. And when it is mentioned as customer service, or complaint, or route, that's one live search. Another live search would be, hey, Kroger, or private selection, or simple truth, or home chef. And price or pricing, it's very, very specific. And Reddit is a little different, because in Reddit, you're looking for very specific Reddit groups here. And so you have this subreddit here, this subreddit here, this kind of query creation is difficult for a lot of people to get started with. This is a good start. It is by no means what you should do, but it is a good starting point for anyone who is trying to get started with a listening campaign. And same thing with Facebook here. They're specific to how Facebook searches are. And then we have the keywords, and keywords that we apply onto the feed that we receive, which would be Kroger Health, Kroger Pickup, Kroger Delivery, Home Chef, Private Selection, Simple Truth, all of them. Working conditions, ESG, sustainability. And we say, okay. And we launch the campaign, and it will create and generate all the keywords and the queries that we have accepted. And we can view the campaign here. And these are the keywords that we have created. And here are the live searches that we have created. And as you can see, it also selected different frequencies for different queries. And so here it selected systemic monitoring, which is a daily query run. Whereas here it says, oh no, for things that are customer service complaint related, this needs to be at a higher frequency. This is an hourly run, but things that have to do with working conditions or sustainability can wait. These are not pressing and urgent. It can wait for a 24-hour cycle. And that's the kind of thing that the AI wizard is going to decide, help you with. And as you can see here, we've already gotten some results here from Twitter, as you can see here, the results, we've gotten 10.